Fly Talk Tech, and I'm here at a photography event at the Great Basin Brewery. So we got some cool backdrops going on where you can see the actual barrels and kegs that they keep the brews in. I have in my hand the Nikon Z6. It's a mirrorless camera. It's one of the ones that I've been looking at. What I love about it is that it has a super big, very clear viewfinder. Looking in this thing looks so sharp and so clear when you're taking photos. And it's super light. Even though I have a big lens on it, it's very light, super portable, easy to fit into the palm of your hand. It has a lot of the upward menus, the same dials that we know and love. But a few things about the mirrorless have changed. Where on a typical DSLR, the organization of the buttons is in a different pattern. I just really like this. Like when I heard a mirrorless camera, I wasn't really sold on it before, but having one in hand and being able to walk around and take pictures with it, it really turns out to be super cool. The thing that you'll notice is it does require an adapter. So you can use any full frame camera lens that you already have by Nikon or Nikkor, but this adapter fits in between it so that it works with the mirrorless camera. And this is what they mean by mirrorless. If you look in there, this thing moves super fast, but you don't see the mirror go up and down like you would on a traditional DSLR. Super fast frame rate, similar to the Nikon D5, and it has the Z6 insignia, minimal low profile, big eye hole, top mount display. It has some metal eyelets. Still has your typical tripod base, monopod base, what have you. It takes the same batteries as most DSLRs. I'm using it with the 85mm Nikkor lens and the adapter that's required to mount on there. And you snap it in, twist, and you're ready to go. So yeah, it has a pretty big display that pops down and it tilts. So it won't give you like full selfie mode, but it'll definitely work out if you want to just pop it out and make for a better viewing angle. This has been my review, quick and on the fly, down and dirty style, of the Nikon Z6. Check it out.